Hey guys, so this is a Wolf Winder teardown. Alright, so I purchased this winder 2 years ago and my winder stopped working and I contacted their customer service, and after 2 weeks of waiting, they sent me a RMA which states that I have to pay for the shipping, which would cost me $20 to $30. And since I already got a new winder from Amazon, that winder works so much better, so much quieter, so I decided to just take them apart. Yeah, wolf warranty sucks. And then, look at this. It's paper here. It's not even a leather. This on Amazon right now, let's see how much it would cost. Just 1 second. So here we go. So I purchased a winder about 2 years ago, and right now this thing cost $379. And of course you can find a bit cheaper, but as you can see, this paper material is not even a genuine leather paper box like this, and this LCD stopped working, and this is cheap plastic. As you can see, that's inside this plastic. So I'm gonna show you what's inside. So here again, paper, super cheap leather, and here it's not even wood. It's a paper, so thick paper like this. Okay. If you tear them apart, there's a rotor unit, and again another paper looking winder, and it's very cheap. It's no way close to a luxurious brand. I'm very disappointed, and I don't think I will ever buy Wolf winder again. So here we go. Paper, some kind of form, the circuit board, and the motor, I think. Yeah, see, it's not even worth it. It's not even worth to pay $100. It's this is, so here's my serial number. Okay. Heritage? No. This is not a heritage. Okay. So hope you guys enjoy. And I don't recommend Wolf winder at all. Don't buy this. $50 Amazon one works so much better. Which I got this way cheaper, way quieter. Okay. All right, thank you.